throw their words like stones in the rain, trying to convince me I'll never change. He can't sing, he's not real, but they don't know the way I feel. Every comment leaves a mark, trying to put out every spark. Still I rise above the doubt. That's what this fight is all about. You can laugh, you can judge, you can say I'm not enough, but every scar becomes a light, leading me into the night. Say I'm fake, say I'm gone, I still keep moving on. Your hate won't write my story, it won't steal my glory. I'm more than the words you throw, more than what you'll ever know. Keep talking if that's your choice, you'll never silence my voice. Every echo fades away, truth survives another day. Real isn't what you claim, it's the fire behind the flame. I'm not built from fear or pride, I won't let your darkness decide. Every step, every song proves that I still belong. One day you'll hear the sound of someone who never backed down, not because the road was kind, but because I changed my mind. Say I'm wrong, I'll keep singing my song. Every dream begins unseen, long before it's on a screen. You can doubt me all you like, I'll still reach another height. When the silence fills the air, you'll know I was always there. The noise will fade, the truth remains, and no amount of hate can erase a voice that refuses to disappear.